The indication is real. The defect exceeds acceptance criteria.
Are we ready to go? No. What do you mean, no? This weld does not meet acceptance requirements.
The indication is small. Production losses are mounting every hour. We need to move forward. Just sign it. If I sign this, I'm saying the equipment is safe. And it isn't.
We need this unit online today. The answer is still no. Management finds another route. The unit returns to operation.
Repairs are complete. The unit is ready for startup. Confirmed. All systems are green. Initiating startup sequence. Ignition successful. Unit is live.
Pressure spiking. Vibration is off the charts.
Go, go! Assembly point! This way! Move! Keep moving!
The crack originated exactly where Daniel identified the defect.
Pressure can influence decisions. Deadlines can influence decisions. Money can influence decisions. But defects do not care. The inspector's responsibility is not to please management. It is to protect people, equipment, and the future. One signature could have hidden the problem. One refusal exposed the truth.